wheel. Not bad.
Not bad, not bad. Oh, I'm tired of looking at this car in its ugly state with holes in it. So after the dash comes out, hopefully have some more room, weld in the floor pans now that the weather's a little bit nicer.
You ready?
Yep. Andrew, my interior man. That was a bitch, wasn't it?
Not too bad.
So what's the next step?
Sell it and buy something that's not German.
And that doesn't have holes in the floor pan?
It's just like the Flintstones.
Yeah. It's ugly as fuck. And those clips are rusty. I don't think there's anything nice on this car. It's a pedal cover. Sunroof, crank, broke apart. You know, we're just gonna throw that back there.
They put a screw right at level with the steering wheel column.
So you need an angle?
I think I finessed.
Oh my god, all the coins coming out.
Oh, there's a screw right here.
Oh yeah, that's from whoever stole the radio. Broke it when they stole it out, so they had to screw it in, I think. You got another switch right here. This should pull off, yeah. Pull her out.
Cigarette. There you go.
Just put it on the back for now. Oh man. Some good carpet left.
This has gotta go.
All these window controls can go, since we'll go with manual doors.
That stays.
ABS module is out. Clipping some ties. There's a bolt under here on this, and then two over there that need to come out, and then the same on this side. We popped out the speedo and all that to try and clear room off for that dash piece, but to no avail. So add this to our little scrap pile for now, and we're gonna see if it'll come off without that piece.
There's a screw here.
There's also a tab right here.
That does. These wires. all of these wires have to come out.
Readjust.
Yep.
She's out. Hell yeah, brother. Ooh. Alright, so dash is out. And in Andrew's car, all riced out, you know, covered. We're good. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully things do get better and it's not a piece of shit much longer. I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited. See you later.